Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Square for payouts connected to insured merchants. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Square's login page. Press enter to navigate to the page. Once the page loads, look for the sign in button, usually located at the top right corner. Click on the sign in button. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in the email address associated with your Square account. After entering your email, click the Next button. Now, you will be asked for your password. Enter your password in the provided field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Once you have entered your credentials, click the Sign In button. You will be taken to your Square dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the Payouts section. This section is usually found on the left side menu. Click on Payouts to view your current payout information. If you are connected to insured merchants, you will see their payouts listed here. Review the details to ensure everything appears correct. For further information on each payout, click on the respective payout item. This will provide you with more detailed information. If everything looks good, you can log out by clicking on your profile icon. Find this in the top right corner of the dashboard. Click Log Out to complete your session safely. You have now successfully logged into Square to access payouts connected to insured merchants. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.